G'day guys, you're back with Miracle Max. We've finished class now for the day, but one of my students has come back knocking on the door saying, my car won't start. He stated that when he turns the key, there's no lights coming on the dash whatsoever, apart from a little airbag light. Could it be a blown fuse? He's stating that the battery is reading 12 volts. So is it a flat battery? I don't know. Let's go and check it out.
Max the mechanic is the man who fix it all. Yes, he can. With a joke and a cheer, your car troubles disappear.
A clear indication of a voltage drop here. We've got a student that's broken down in the car park just after class. And what's the actual problem with yours, Ned?
Just nothing off the key at all. Just
nothing
completely
off
dead.
The key. You've got you said you got one light on?
One light, airbag light, and that's it.
Airbag light, but when you go, there's no reds when you turn the
nothing.
key?
Completely
okay.
dead.
Now you said you had voltage there, didn't you?
Yeah.
Let's just have a look at what that shows there. I'll set that up hopefully. And I'm going to go across the positive and negative side of the battery. There and there. Can you tell me what we're reading there?
12.62.
12.62. Now if you can come closer, and I'll just lay that down so that you can see what I'm looking at here. So if you do a proper voltage drop test, you're meant to activate the circuit. So in this case we would turn the key, but this is so dead that we don't even need to do that. Now across here, once again, we've got 12.62. But notice on my positive side, I'm just going to move my positive lead across to this post over here, and it's right on the actual the terminal instead of the post. So post, I have 12.62. Terminal, you can see where I am. I'm just on the edge there, and we've got, I'm pressing pretty hard. What do we got there?
6.23.
Wow, that's half the voltage, isn't it? So that's ridiculous. There's no way it's going to start this vehicle. So where's the problem?
In the terminal.
Okay, between here and here. That wasn't hard, was it? So let's just double check. Let's go over to the negative side now and go here and here. We've got our 12.6, and if we go onto our post over here, we've got our 12.62. What does that tell you about this terminal and post area over here?
That's fine.
It's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So how clear is that? How cool is that we can know that there's a problem between the post here and the connector or the terminal over here? All we've got to do now, in theory, is clean up the post and the terminal, that connection there. Back to you shortly. Okay, we've given this a good cleaneroo, given it a bit of a scrub by using this particular tool here. This section here goes on the post, give it the old scrubberoo, and this section here goes into the terminal, clean it out. So chuck that to one side. Now remember what we did before. We went on the post itself. I'm on the post behind here, and we're in the post there. We're getting our 12.6, which is what we looked at before. Have a look at my red lead where I'm going to shift it. This was where the problem was before, wasn't it? Simply going on the terminal there, pressing hard, and we are getting 12.6. What does that mean? With confidence, we should be right, I believe. If we check our wire back here, we should have 12.6, which we do. So we know that at this point in time there's no voltage drop. Remember, voltage drop, you should have the key, you should have it energized, you should be trying to crank the vehicle. But I feel fairly confident that we've almost got this sorted. What do we need to do? Well, we need to try and start the vehicle to prove the point. Yep.
I've got reds now, so...
Yeah. Out of gear, of course. Got some doof happening. Right, kick her in the guts when you're ready. Mate, problem solved. Okay, so that's awesome. This is a really good indication of a voltage drop. It seemed like a big job, but in actual fact we could absolutely locate the difference between this point here and the terminal itself. The voltage drop was about half. 6 volts was not enough to start this. We're back to 12 volts now. Fantastic news. Well, hopefully this has been a good lesson for you guys on voltage drop. If you enjoyed this video and you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and feel free to comment down below. Of course, don't forget about that notification bell. You don't want to miss any future videos. You can catch up with us on Instagram as well as Facebook and see what's happening in the workshop. Until next time guys, this is Miracle Max signing off. I will catch you later. Thank you very much.